Very good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. As you all know, in our online sessions, we have been practicing grammar. In the concept test 1 also you saw how grammar had come. So, we will continue with some of the grammar work that we have been learning up till now. Okay? We will begin with the worksheet of the day and then slowly move to the grammar workbook, wherein there are some things that I had taken in the online class. This is for the students who are not part of the online class, along with the other details that we need to do moving ahead. So let us begin. This is the worksheet that has been sent to you at home. Subject is English. Topic is make words with cl, tr, sh. Now what are cl, tr, sh? Together, all of this is called blends. They are called blends, wherein we just don't, the words that are beginning with these sounds or ending with these sounds have a particular sound like cl, clap, tr, truck, sh, shout, isn't it? That's how when two letters come together and make a common sound or a pronounced sound, that is a loud sound, it is called blends. Quickly write your section standard 1 section E, full name in cursive writing, and today's date is mentioned. We will move ahead. Okay, what does the first question say? Fill in the missing letters with the help of the given pictures. Now, it means that it will be beginning or ending with these three sounds. What are these? Girls wear it in the hair. IPS is ending. Clips. CLIPS. Indirectly, learning blends helps us to strengthen or learn our English properly. We are adding word bank to our vocabulary, which is also known as adding word bank to our spoken English. Okay? Then, this, what is it? It's a train. TRAIN, train. Shoes. S. You need to know all the spellings by heart. Just because you are writing the blend sound does not mean that you will only be doing the blends. You need to know the spellings well. Shoes, shoes, clips, 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 TRAIN, train. Then shoes, 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 and here it is cloud, isn't it? CLOUD, cloud. Make sure you're completing this and writing it properly in the place given. Let's move to the next question. Unscramble the given letters to form meaningful words. Again, unscramble. Unscramble means words, letters spelling के आगे पीछे दिए हैं. You have to bring it in order so that it makes a correct word. Let's look at the picture. What is this? Claws. A bird's claws. CLAWS, claws. What is the word? CLAWS, claws. Then we have this, you all know, tree. TREE, tree. This is shell. SHELL, shell. When you know the picture, you know the spelling from before, you really don't need to unscramble anything here. You can directly write the correct spelling here. Okay? Make sure we are doing it correctly. Answer in one word. It is used to carry food and drink. What is this picture? Tray. Tray. Mummy carries it, brings something like tea or coffee or a glass of water when a guest arrives at home. It tells the time. You all know this. And we are not teaching you watch. It is clock. 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 We now move to the online session where we did there and there for the students. We will do this page again from the grammar copy, page number 5454. This is talk about the picture. Use the words there and there. Now both the spellings THERE, THEIR are different spellings, but the meaning of the spellings, as the pronunciation is same, the spelling is different, and also is the purpose of using the word. There means udhar. In Hindi it means udhar. Idhar, udhar, like we say here, there. And this there, THEIR, kisi ka, sense of belonging. Okay. Now let's see. Write there, or there in the blanks. There's capital, small, capital and small. Wherever it is required, use the correct leader for writing. So we had completed this in online session. We are just going to have a quick jogging of memory. Okay. Dash are two men in the picture. There are two men in the picture. Their tools are on the ground. Unka. Okay. There, which is THEIR, bags are near the trees. Where are the bags? Near the trees. There are towels on their head. Unka head. That is why THEIR. Dash are some monkeys in the trees. There, THE udhar, RE are some monkeys in the trees. Can you see the food in their hand? THEIR, their hands. The men will soon open their eyes. Unki eyes, right? THEIR, their eyes. They will look in their bags. Unka, THEIR, bags. And then what will they find? There, udhar. Please make sure you are solving this. The ones who have not done it with me in the online class, ones who are not attending, please try to attend. I know due to various reasons some of you are not able to attend, but it will be good if you all attend the classes regularly. See you back in the next class. Till then, study and complete this. Bye-bye.